Does being a stay-at-home parent jeopardize your custody chances? My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues right here in Michigan. And today, we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. You know, nowadays, it's a very popular thing for people to work at home, for people to parent at home. So we come to the question of what's the impact of a stay-at-home parent? Now, this question says, a stay-at-home parent, will that affect custody? I think the question suggests that the person isn't working remotely from home. The person is not working and is a stay-at-home mom or dad. The question then becomes, is this a good thing or a bad thing in the eyes of the court? To be frank, a stay-at-home parent might very well be a good thing, especially depending on the ages of the kids. They might need the stability of a parent who's available all the time. So this could very well be a good thing. But remember, one issue that is always paramount in custody cases, the court is not looking at anything other than what's in the best interest of the child. That doesn't mean that a stay-at-home parent will or will not get the benefit of that. In other words, is that a good thing or a bad thing is going to depend on whether or not your being a stay-at-home parent is in the best interest of the child. If you're a good influence, if you're nurturing, if you're the kind of person that supports the emotional well-being of the child, for example, and you do that as a stay-at-home parent, that's terrific. If you're a stay-at-home parent who's a drug addict and alcoholic, that level of example probably isn't in the best interest of the child. So it's not about whether or not you're a stay-at-home parent and how the court views that so much as it is what's in the best interest of the minor child. Is that to have the stay-at-home parent or not? Now, you might have two great parents. One's a stay-at-home parent, one's not. One's working, one's not, whatever. The court may, for other reasons, decide, I prefer one parent over the other because that person more readily promotes what's in the best interest of the minor child. So it's going to depend on the case. But the quick answer to the question is just the status of being a stay-at-home parent one way or another may not necessarily impact your case for custody positively or negatively. There are other circumstances that deal with the best interest factors, and that's what's going to be important. If you have any other questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3330